When you open a car's hood, you see metal. You see pipes. You see moving parts. What you do not see is the brain of the car. Hidden inside is a computer quietly making decisions. This computer does not drive the car for you, but it controls almost everything. It listens, it watches, it adjusts. Every time you press a pedal, turn the wheel, or start the engine, this computer is involved. Most drivers never think about it. That is because it works silently, doing its job without asking for attention. Cars used to be mostly mechanical. If something moved, it moved because metal pushed metal. Modern cars are different. Today, computers decide how parts should behave. The engine does not act alone. The brakes do not act alone. They wait for instructions. The computer receives information from many sensors. It checks speed. It checks temperature. It checks position. Based on this information, it tells the car how to behave at that moment. This makes modern cars more smooth, more efficient, and more predictable. Sensors are the eyes and ears of the car. They do not think. They only report. They tell the computer what is happening right now, how fast the car is moving, how hot the engine is, whether a pedal is pressed. The computer listens to all of this information. At the same time, it does not focus on one thing. It looks at the full picture. If something changes, the computer notices instantly. This constant listening allows the car to react before small problems become big ones. The car's computer does not make one decision. It makes many decisions every second. It decides how much fuel to use. It decides how the engine responds. It decides how smooth the movement feels. These decisions happen even when driving straight. Nothing is left running blindly. The computer adjusts constantly. This is why modern cars feel calm and controlled, even at high speed. The computer's job is to keep everything balanced, even when conditions change. Engines work hard. They create heat. They create pressure. Without control, they could damage themselves. The computer watches carefully. If something gets too hot, it adjusts behavior. If something works too hard, it reduces strain. This protection happens automatically. Drivers do not need to react. The computer steps in quietly to keep the engine healthy and working for a long time. The computer does not replace the driver. It supports the driver. You still press the pedals. You still turn the wheel. But the computer helps make those actions smoother. It removes harsh reactions. It reduces mistakes. This assistance makes driving easier without feeling artificial. Most drivers never notice it. That is intentional. Good technology helps quietly without demanding attention. Modern cars feel smarter because they are more aware. They understand what is happening inside and outside the vehicle. They react quickly and consistently. This awareness comes from the computer hidden under the hood. It connects everything together. Without it, modern cars would feel rough, unpredictable, and less safe. The computer is the reason everything works together smoothly. Everyday cars may look simple, but inside, they are full of quiet technology. From pedals to doors, to engines, to brakes, to keys, to computers. Each system plays a role. None of them work alone. Together, they make driving safer, smoother, and more reliable. Once you understand this, you never look at a car the same way again.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on the platforms on screen for more simple, easy to understand videos about the technology behind everyday products and systems.